Kickstarter survey. I tried this before and it didn't work. I messed up. I made a mistake. I even videoed myself making the mistake. The good news, and I've done this before, Kickstarter's customer service is actually really, really good. This is my second or third time interacting with them. They've always been on the ball, and I just want to like say that because like as far as platforms go, Kickstarter's customer service seems to be by far the best. When you need them, they're there. So they helped me out. They reset my surveys. I explained my issue. I showed them my mistake. Luckily, I'd filmed it, so it was easy to explain. And they were like, cool, we're going to reset your surveys, but you're going to lose all that data, so you need to send it again and make sure that they fill it out again. Okay, I'll take that hit. That's my bad. Here's what you're going to do. Go to dashboard, go to your campaign. You can scroll down, click backer survey. All right. Click resume or start. All right. First thing that tripped me up was this right here is how you navigate through. Before it was all like one long thing and there was some stuff on the side. It's all up top now. All right. And when I open this up, I usually open it up and it's like buried and I don't see it very well. So I wanted to point that out. Now, I don't really need the items questions or the variants. I'm running a fully digital reward. So I don't need t-shirt sizes. I don't need multiple SKUs. If you do need that, it's there. And I wish you the best with it. I can't tell you how it works because I haven't done it. All right. Backer questions. I don't really need any more than a question here. And that is, what is your preferred email for us to send your reward to? Question mark and proper spelling. So click save. Great. Here's the mistake I made. Okay. Is that up here it says question is for backers. All right. And I put early bird and I hit save and I would go over to the preview and send, select early bird. It's there. Great. All right. And I would hit gone fishing and I'd hit save and I went over to the preview and I went gone fishing, which is the core product, you know, that the early bird is just the early bird of, and it's there. Great. Hit send. My mistake. Because what happens is I go over to early bird. It's not there. So what the mistake you shouldn't make is to think that this one question can apply to multiple rewards. All right. It tricked me into thinking it by doing this. I hit save. All right. Do this. I hit save. Boom. I should be able to do both, right? No. Go to add question. Open text question. All right. If you have the same question for multiple rewards, select each reward individually. Hit save. Now when I go to preview and send, I should be able to go to the early bird, see the question, and then I should be able to go to Gone Fishing, the main core product, and there's the same question. So when you're going in and you're doing the backer questions, just be sure that you're adding one question per reward, even if it's the same question, instead of thinking that you can do one question for multiple rewards. And that is the main thing you need to know, especially for a digital campaign, which, by the way, I didn't show this. If you go to addresses, you can just click, I don't need addresses. I just need emails, which, by the way, they already kind of give you on each of the backers' profiles, but it's good for me to ask their preferred email because the email they signed up with their account on might not be their preferred email. Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a great time, and try not to make the mistakes I do. Bye.